Hi all. In this video we will tell you how to get first Swampcoin transaction via free Faucet. Wallet must be running and synchronized. If you have not yet installed Swampcoin wallet, you can find installation guides on official YouTube channel. To get coins first we need to copy our Swamp address to clipboard. Click the File item. In menu that opens click Receiving Addresses. Then window of addresses will open. Then copy address to clipboard. Go to the swampcoin.club website. And then go to Faucet menu section. At page that opens, click to link of partners Faucet service. And then page with Faucet will open. On the page that opens, scroll down. Paste address that we just copied. Click to confirm that we are not robot. Solve the CAPTCHA and click on green button. Claim random payout. Now a message appears that sending was successful. And number of coins that were sent. At next. Return to wallet application window. Go to transactions menu and see that transaction has appeared in the list. Which means everything is working fine. To check wallet operation you can also ask to transfer coins to you in official communities. Links to it in description under video. Thanks for watching.